any of you guys have a car that it would be cool to let me drive and let me do a POV video on, because So what year is this? Is it a 2013?
Yes, it's a 2013 bagged 5.0.
A 2013 bagged 5.0, and it's full exhaust BBK headers, you said?
Yeah, inch and 7/8 headers.
Inch and 7/8 headers.
High flow X, Roush over axle pipes, and Roush mufflers. It's pretty rowdy.
And you're Clint.
Yes, Clint.
Clint Eastwood is how you told me to remember it. Are you in? Okay. Wow, is this stock or is this
It's a Ford Performance.
Ford Performance? That's extremely tight.
You just, the OK button will take all those little warning things off. And then you'll be able to see your air to fuel ratio. Yeah, that one. And then click it over.
Click it over to the left.
OK. And then to the right.
Oh, that's cool. Technology. So I think this is actually the first S197 5.0 I've driven. I've driven some S550s, but is that the exhaust or the like it's like
it's the compressor.
It's like the compressor's resonating with the exhaust or something. And
It's down in the tire wells, so it's kind of
interesting. I'm gonna have to learn this stiff hydraulic. This is the stiffest hydraulic clutch. It's weird. It's hydraulic, but it's stiff. These gear. Wow, that's tight. Is that first?
Yeah.
Oh. Yeah, let's. See, now I'm gonna like drive the Cobra and it's gonna be like a nightmare again because I've driven like a hydraulic clutch.
I mean, the hydraulic clutches, they're like nice, but they just don't feel good compared to the cable.
So you've never driven this car around Crowders?
No, not yet.
Oh, it's gonna be like lots of pops and stuff. It sounds like it's gonna be a poppy exhaust. Second's pretty easy, but yeah, they're probably offended. It's just me trying to be too easy on your car. I wasn't like really jamming it hard enough. Good thing I'm not a typical 5.0 guy, because I'd probably do a donut right here. the exhaust note, it sounds like just about right. It's like it's not too raspy. It's got like a little bit, but probably if you decatted it, then it'd be rough.
Yeah, it'd be pretty rowdy.
It just likes to be forced in there. Ego boost. It's great. See if I can get some pops. Give me pops. I'm asking for the pops.
Probably get it to do a gunshot.
How do you do that?
So you got it, since it has the watt box.
Yeah.
So you gas it real quick and jam in the clutch like the second you gas it at the same time.
You gotta do it at the exact same time?
Yeah.
Oh,
I'll have to show you later.
That's gonna take some getting used to. Oh, one more little try here.
That's a little baby one.
Do you have to be higher RPM?
Yeah, try third. Are you in fourth right now?
Yeah.
You gotta do it like at the same time.
Okay.
Like super fast. There's one.
Is that like a gunshot?
Yeah.
It's pretty quiet for a minute here.
It wasn't a loud one though.
Okay. There was like an Infiniti G35 when I used to live in my apartment. They would come by my apartment like every night at like 11 p.m. and just gunshot. I'm just like, why? Why here right now?
Yeah, this one, it will shoot flames. Sometimes
Oh.
it just takes a second.
Flames are nice.
Not good for the converters, but
Probably not. I feel like converters, flames, two-step, it could potentially cause an issue. I could never enjoy a Tesla all that much. Like, it'd be cool when you're going fast, but then whenever you're just not, just like, what am I doing with my hands? Why isn't it making any noises? I'm not entertained. Who's that, Terminator? Are you a Terminator? No, you're not. What are you?
5-0 swap.
That's a 5-0 badge. I don't know if it's 5-0 swapped or not. That would be cool. Tunnels are great. That was an epic fail. Is there something that I'm doing wrong?
It's just a typical T82.
So that's like, that wasn't me? Is it?
No, honestly, the reason I bought the watt box is it takes a little bit of the load off the transmission.
Gotcha.
But you gotta know the shit.
Yeah, I pretty much like yanked it about, I don't want to break it, so about as hard as I comfortably would with someone else's car. But it was kind of just like not having it. I did not know that. I've never been locked out a second before. I mean, he asked for it. I need to find a spot to redeem myself. I can't like leave it like that.
I mean, you can try the no-list shift if you want to.
I don't know.
You don't want to just sit there and let it like, oh, you gotta.
Yeah. I'm just not used to that. I don't know. Try to do a little first, second here. I guess it just doesn't like above 6K. I'm sorry, golfers. Like, I don't purposely do it in front of golfers. It's just, it's the best area to drive around turns and downshift and upshift. And that's gonna pretty much wrap up this video. Thing sounds pretty nice. This is actually like the only S197 I've ever driven. I gotta say, it's BBK long tubes, high flow cats, and then Roush.
Yes.
Is it catbacks or axlebacks?
It's axleback.
Axlebacks. It's really smooth. Like, it's loud when you get into it when you're missing second and third, which is me. But it's fairly deep and resonant when you're not. If I had another car, like not the Cobra, I would probably do an exhaust setup like this. But yeah, guys, guys, if you enjoyed the video, please click the like button. That helps me out in the algorithm so that more people will see these, and maybe I can do more POV rides with other cars. And comment if you have any questions, or if you have a car that you'd like me to take for a POV ride. And if you're not already subscribed to the channel, click the subscribe button. And I will see you guys next video. Much love.